Boil pasta into hot water for 5 minutes. Chopped garlic, onions, and bell peppers. Put some butter into a pan. Add chopped veggies. 1 teaspoon of salt. Some crushed black pepper. Fry it well and take it out of the pan. Put some more butter into the same pan. Add 1 teaspoon of flour. Mix it well on medium flame. 1 cup of milk and mix continuously. Add some more milk. Make sure there is no lumps. Add salt according to your taste and add those fried veggies. Some more crushed black peppers. Mix it well. Turn the flame high. Make the sauce thick. 1 teaspoon of oregano. Turn the flame high. Add your boiled pasta and mix it well. Now it's ready to serve.